Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. So in this video I would just like to announce that I have started publishing a tutorial on how to build a Sonic Infinite themed runner game in TypeScript with the Caplay library. So in this tutorial, as the name implies, we will be building this game, and it's going to be in TypeScript. So on my YouTube channel in the past, I made a tutorial teaching how to build a similar game like that in JavaScript, but this time around it's with TypeScript. So the advantage of TypeScript is type safety, etc. So this tutorial can be followed by anyone who at least has basic competency in JavaScript. So even if you don't know TypeScript per se, you can follow this along because it's going to be very light TypeScript. So just to tell you, in this tutorial, we will rarely, if ever, write our own types. So we're going to use types provided by Caplay. And yep, so that's the tutorial. You have a table of contents section where you can navigate through the various sections of the tutorial quickly. So it's going to be a two-part series. So the first part is now available, and if you don't want to miss out when the second part releases, I recommend subscribing on Substack. And another announcement I would like to make is that my React tutorial, I have finished it, so all three parts are now available on Substack. As an option, you can buy a nicely formatted PDF versions. So here in this video you can actually see how it looks like. You have a nice table of contents and it's nicely formatted like that. So I intend to do the same for the Sonic tutorial, and it's $5, so you can buy it here. I will put the link in the description if you are interested. Now I think I've covered everything. So yeah, my Substack, I've been putting more effort there. So I'm hoping to see you on Substack. Thanks for watching, and see you hopefully in another video or post, depending on where you follow me.